Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I'm diving into a grooming toolset that's made a serious splash in the men's grooming world. The JRL FF2020 Limited Gold Collection, featuring the FF2020 clipper and trimmer combo. Both pieces are designed with some really interesting features, so let's break down what they bring to the table. First off, the JRL FF2020 combo is a high-tech, rechargeable grooming duo. You get both a clipper and a trimmer, designed with a focus on performance and precision. Let's start with the standout feature that sets this combo apart: cool blade technology. The clippers come equipped with titanium-coated blades. And here's the kicker: they stay cool to the touch, 13.89 degrees cooler than most blades on the market. This is a game changer, especially during longer grooming sessions when heat buildup can cause discomfort or affect performance. So if you've ever had a clipper burn or overheat on you, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. Both tools are equipped with stainless steel blades that are corrosion-proof, which should ensure durability and consistent performance over time. The clipper, referred to as the 2020C, has a sleek LCD digital screen that shows you the power level, which is a nice touch for anyone who likes a little more control and visibility during their grooming routine. It also features smart clip technology that senses blade resistance and adjusts the speed to avoid dragging, so no more struggling with snagging or uneven cuts. Now, the trimmer, the 2020T, doesn't have the LED display, but it still brings impressive features to the table. Both tools are rechargeable and have long-lasting lithium-ion batteries. The 2020C offers up to 4 hours of runtime with just a 2-hour charge, and it has 2 adjustable speeds. The 2020T is a bit shorter on battery life with a 2-hour runtime after a 3-hour charge, but that's still pretty solid for a trimmer. Both tools have quiet motors that operate under 60 dB, which makes for a quieter, more comfortable grooming experience. If you've ever had to endure those loud, buzzing clippers at the barbershop, this is a welcome change. In terms of usability, I found both the clipper and the trimmer easy to incorporate into my routine. The clipper was great for fading and overall bulk cutting, while the trimmer is perfect for detailing around the edges and those precision spots like the neckline. The design feels solid, and the gold finish really does give it a premium vibe. Definitely a nice touch for those who appreciate a little luxury in their grooming tools. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the cool blade technology is a huge win. It's so rare to find a clipper that stays cool during long sessions. The LCD digital screen on the clipper is also a great feature for anyone who wants to keep track of battery life. Plus, the quiet motor really adds to the experience. No more annoying buzzes interrupting the process. However, there are a few downsides. While the clipper is fantastic for cutting, the shy lack of an LED screen on the trimmer feels like a missed opportunity, especially given how sleek and modern the clipper looks. The battery life on the 2020T is decent, but could be improved. 3 hours of charge for just 2 hours of use isn't ideal for extended sessions. Also, although the package includes several useful accessories like comb guards, a brush, and lubricant oil, it's worth mentioning that the charging dock could be a bit more compact or user-friendly for storage purposes. So, how does this stack up in terms of value for money? The JRL FF2020 Gold Combo isn't cheap, but if you're someone who values precision, quiet operation, and innovative blade technology, the price is justifiable. It performs at a high level with key features like the cool blade technology and smart clip technology, making it a good investment for those serious about their grooming routine. If you're shopping around and looking for alternatives, there are definitely other high-end clippers on the market, but this combo offers a unique balance of performance and features. In the same price range, you might find comparable tools, but they may lack the cool blade tech or the digital display, which gives this set an edge. As for the build quality, these tools feel solid. The materials are sturdy, and the design seems built to last. However, I do wonder how the battery life will hold up over the long term, as that can sometimes be a point of failure with rechargeable devices. I didn't have any direct dealings with customer service, but JRL has a reputation for quality, and their products are often well reviewed by users. If you do run into any issues, their customer support should be responsive, though it's always a good idea to check user reviews for any potential recurring issues. For those of you who might be on the fence about this set, there are a few more budget-friendly alternatives. If you want something that gets the job done without the extra bells and whistles, there are solid clippers and trimmers available at a lower price point. But if you value advanced technology, quiet operation, and luxury feel, this combo could be well worth the price. To wrap things up, the JRL FF2020 Limited Gold Collection is a strong contender in the world of men's grooming. The cool blade technology and quiet motor are fantastic features, and the performance is top-notch. However, the trimmer could use a little more attention to detail in terms of the display and battery life. If you're after a high-performance grooming kit that feels premium, this set is definitely worth considering. If this review was helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more in-depth reviews like this one. Your support really helps us continue bringing you honest, expert insights. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the JRL FF2020 combo, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.